R. Cruz. Naomi is a 9-year-old girl with a big imagination and love for all things creative. Currently a grade 4 student at Blue Danube School Inc., she finds happiness in music and art, her two favorite worlds. She loves playing instruments like the piano and the kalimba, especially when she learns a new tune. Singing makes her feel free and joyful as it allows her to express her feelings in a special way. Naomi also has a love for drawing, especially cute chibi characters, animals, and other pretty creations that come straight from her imagination. She often listens to her favorite songs while sketching or practicing piano. It's her favorite way to unwind and enjoy the moment. Music for Naomi is a source of happiness and calm, a special way to express emotions that words sometimes cannot. She says she loves playing the piano because its sound is so beautiful and full of emotion. Seeing her family smile with pride when she plays fills her heart with warmth and motivates her to keep learning and sharing her music with love. Each note she plays is a little piece of her heart shared through music. Once again, singing or playing Last Christmas arranged by Dietmar Steinhauer, Naomi Cassidy R. Cruz. Once again, Naomi Cassidy R. Cruz. Moving forward to our next performer for today, let's welcome Janelle H. Aguilo.